Hello everyone, welcome to Clear IAS. In this video, we'll be discussing about Log4j vulnerability. I'm Ujjwala Pullela, an educator at Clear IAS. Introduction. So firstly, what is Log4j? Log4j is a popular logging utility developed by Apache Software Foundation. So basically Log4j is a library. That is, it records all the events that go into a system, like whatever messages are typed, whatever messages are displayed, whatever requests are being made, all these events will be recorded here. Like consider the history. When you search in the history, you can see all the previous searches you have made in the course of time. In the same way, Log4j is a utility where all the events will be recorded. It is an open source library and is used by tech companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, IBM, Twitter, etc. It is free and thus it can be used by anyone for any other purpose. Even many government agencies use this logging library. Zero-day vulnerability. So here you have to understand an important concept known as zero-day vulnerability. It is defined as the vulnerability which has been identified but is not yet patched or fixed. So basically what happens is whenever a vulnerability gets identified, the tech companies they release some patches. These patches are meant to fix the vulnerabilities which have been identified. However, in the case of zero-day vulnerability, what happens is a vulnerability will already be identified, but however, a patch or fix will not yet be revealed by the company. So, they are considered to be severe threats because they can be easily exploited by the hackers. So, as we have seen, the vulnerability has been identified, but no patch has yet been revealed by the company. So, this vulnerability can be easily exploited by the hackers. Zero-day protection is defined as the ability to be protected against such zero-day exploits. Log4Shell. So the vulnerability which has been identified in the case of Log4j is named as Log4Shell. Log4Shell is a vulnerability first highlighted by Shen Zhaozun, a member of Alibaba's cloud security team. It is officially named as CVE 2021-44228. CVE stands for Common Vulnerabilities and Exposures. It is used for naming the vulnerabilities discovered across the world. So, the versions of Log4j from 2.0 to 2.14.1 have been affected due to this Log4Shell vulnerability. So, from this figure, you can get a clear understanding of the Log4j vulnerability. In the first case, that is normal Log4j scenario, what happens is a HTTP request will be sent by you and this URL will be directed to the intended server, and this request which has been typed it will be logged by the log4j. However, in the second case, that is exfiltration attack example, what happens is a malicious HTTP request will be sent by the hacker and this request will be redirected to a particular server which is under the influence of the hacker or which is compromised. So because of this, the hacker can get access to the details of your computer. What is the risk? Since a lot of popular tech companies use this tool, all these are at a risk of being attacked by the hackers. So what happens is these tech companies they do not build these logging utilities from scratch, and instead of that they use these open source logging utilities, which in case here is Log4j. Malicious actors can take advantage of this vulnerability and get access to the networks. Non-state actors can trigger attacks against the governments. The upcoming festive season can be completely disrupted by causing crash in e-commerce websites. Demands for ransom can be made by gaining access to one's network, which is known as ransomware, and an example for this is WannaCry. Disruptions till now. The first disruption has been noted in a popular video game which is known as Minecraft. Till now, no major disruption or damage has been reported. The attempts being made till now are mostly by hackers mining for cryptocurrency. However, the attacks are rising at an alarming rate. Steps taken. The companies are releasing patches to fix the vulnerability. Apache has released the updated version of the logging tool and is constantly working on the new ones. Cybersecurity experts are toiling hard to identify and mitigate the exploitation of this vulnerability. What's next? New vulnerabilities are being discovered which can further the severity of damages. Although crypto miners are till now ruling the roost, it would not take much longer for more malicious actors to join the exploitation. The threat level is being stated as extremely critical, warranting immediate action by all players. So only time will tell us how this vulnerability will turn out in the future and what sort of damages will it cause. For the time being, from our side, what we can do is we should keep all the softwares up to date. So this was a short video regarding the Log4j vulnerability. I hope this video cleared your doubts to an extent. Thank you and please subscribe to our channel ClearIS.